For one Trenchtown mother, like too many poor mothers across Jamaica, celebrating her motherhood this weekend is overshadowed with grief and distress generated by spiraling crime in her community and across the nation.
Them kill a 12-year-old.
She goes by the name Queen Kamarla, who comes to our stage with her latest musical weapon against crime and violence. Right now, right here on our stage. Queen, welcome.
Hey.
So good to have you. So, how did you get started in music?
Well, I've started from a tender age. You know, my mother always come in with a cassette them time and play music. So I've been inspired by the great Garnet Silk, Bob Marley.
Yeah, so when Garnet was alive, you were a baby.
Yeah.
And you listened to the King Bob Marley.
Yes.
Because you're from
Trenchtown.
Trenchtown. And so the King Bob Marley is of great significance and importance to you, special importance.
Yes.
Okay, so what have you achieved in music so far?
Well, I get to go to Canada, win Rasta Fest last year, August.
Yes.
You know what I mean? I know that the music is the only thing can reach out and inspire and help a whole lot, so that's what I stick to. Because places where my body haven't reached, the music I've reached there already.
Your music?
Yeah.
So is music all you've done? All your life so far?
No, man, I used to hustle in the street belt, man. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You used to hustle?
Yeah.
On the streets. And apart from that, nothing else? You
I'm
took out music?
I look out for the kids in my community, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Always I show them love. If I can able to give them a little snack, a little lunch, man. Whatever I can do, I try to fit in because I love her the other day.
And you're a mother of two?
Yeah.
A daughter and a son?
Yeah.
Your daughter, you told me off camera that she's about to
study law. She's
going for law?
Yeah.
And your son, what is he going for?
Well, he's doing music as well as he's right now he do the video thing as well. Mm-hmm. He's practicing for shoot videos and all them stuff.
So Mother's Day for you, do you look and do you reflect on being a mother? Do you?
Yes, of course, most definitely. Especially I lose my mom. All I did have is just my mom. Mm-hmm. So that inspired me a whole lot to be a better mom to my kids.
To your kids.
Yeah, and to others as well.
And you're in a community where there is a lot of violence.
A lot.
Too much.
Too much.
So much so that you had to put pen to paper.
Most definitely.
To write a song about this.
Yeah.
Calling for
peace and love. Stop the crime and the violence.
All right, stand by. Let's go to the song right here, right now.
We tired of the crime and the violence. You man, listen to your parents. If you're tired of the crime and the violence, community, why keep so silent? We fed up of the crime and the violence. The people, how we make a difference. Leaders, they make a pledge of commitment. All we need a one chance, one opportunity.
Fed up of the crime and the violence. Who isn't? Right now in Jamaica, it doesn't even matter where you live. We all are fed up, and it's a great song. It's a great message, and it's you featuring Satifa, the black one.
Yeah.
Now, so this is out there getting love.
Yes. Right now, I have to big up Sun City. You know what I mean, Steve, because him call me and say Queen.
Steve Billings from Sun City Radio.
I have to put this music in a rotation because it's very significant at this time. Yes. This song is giving solution because solution is in the song. If we really need peace and love and unity, why keep so silent?
And the community is commending you for it?
Yes.
And they're playing it on the street corners, on the sound systems?
Yeah. Right now it's the number 4 in the UK on the chart.
Yeah.
And it's the fastest growing song I have right now. All over the world, people love it. Every DJ get it, gravitating to it because it's not just in Jamaica, but all over the world, we have crime and violence, and we really need to put a stop on it.
Do you think that the support that inner city people have given to politicians
they need more opportunity
over the years, the support that they have given, the unwavering support to their leader?
They need that support.
Yes.
They need more opportunity because
they want in exchange opportunities.
Yeah, they need more opportunity. The mindset need for reset. You understand? Because if a guy, all him have is a tool and him not get an opportunity and other chances, he might just stick to that. I guarantee if him get opportunity, he can choose.
Yes.
So they need more opportunity.
When they're given opportunities, they stay away from crime, don't they?
Yeah, most definitely. If a man belly full, you know, no care what cook out them, no want nothing, you know, can belly done full already, but if him hungry, what do you think about him?
Well, you know, it's a sad thing. And I heard that you're going to Africa?
Yeah.
You're going to performing in Africa?
Yeah.
In South Africa?
Yeah, Cape Town.
In Cape Town?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So how did that come about? They called you?
Yeah, the song, you know what I mean? Right now, South Africa cry, you know, them send crazy message to my WhatsApp, so boy, Queen, I love that song right now where you come up with, because we're going through it down here as well, you know what I mean? We really need more love, you know, too much senseless killing. Also in the UK, they must say the killing with the knife, it just a step up more and more, so trust me, this song is in every rotation right now.
So they're flying you over to Cape Town, South Africa?
Yeah.
To perform how many shows? Just one show, or?
Well, you know it go already. Cape big down there, you know, so other promoters is gonna be there for you. But it's a 3-day festival really. Okay.
So is it your biggest overseas assignment to date since you've been in music?
I'm a winner for Rastafest. I go up as an ambassador last year, August, for Rastafest in Canada, and I'm the winner.
Nice.
So, yeah, I'm going to state, I work Amazura with Ice-T, Richie Steven.
So you've been getting some exposure and some work?
Yes.
Offshore Jamaica?
Yes.
So how are you doing here at home? How would you rate yourself, the love you're getting here in Jamaica
well, I know
a
prophet getting an amongst his own, so you know, we have to just push out and do what we have to do.
Yes.
And then, you know what I mean, the people you come after.
Okay, so what are you working on at the moment? The album what?
Yeah, I have an album right now.
You have an album?
Yeah.
Working on, or?
Already.
You have an album
finished.
out?
Yeah.
Finished? Not released?
And some of the songs I'm on it is
so it's
playing.
yet to be released? Yeah. So that's something that fans of yours can look forward to?
Yeah.
When are they going to get it?
Well, I have a couple songs, EP and iTunes right now. Them can just go on iTunes and download Queen Kamarla. And you can get like all 78 songs out of the album. Oh,
nice. Queen Kamarla, thank you so much for coming and sharing with us. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
And I want to wish you all the best out there.
Yes.
Nice. All right, there you have her in this segment. Queen Kamarla, our very special guest. And big ups and happy Mother's Day to all mothers, including mine. All mothers around the world, all our mothers, fans.
You know, the thing, but I have to big up Kern Spencer straight, cause, you know, him shoot the video for crime and violence and him pushing it to the fullest. He's my manager right now, he manage my career. So I have to give him all love, all respect, you know, check him out, BOJ TV. So you can reach Kern Spencer at 966-2897.
That's Kern Spencer?
Yes.
That's who's taking care of your business?
Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Queen. And still to come right here on stage, What's on Sale? That's the name of a very